Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the solution to the problem Kth Distinct String in an array. Feel free to pause the video and read the problem if you're unfamiliar. This is a very straightforward situation that we have here. We have to just go over all the strings that we have in our list and return the Kth string that appears exactly once in the array. The simplest way to do so would probably be to count the number of times every string appears in the array. We can use the counter class for it, which is based on a dictionary. And now we can just go through all the items, so pairs of values, so the string, and the count, the number of times it appears. So this is this tuple, and if a string appears exactly once, it's one of those distinct strings. We subtract 1 from k to mark that this is another string, and now if k is 0 after this step, we just return the string, otherwise we return an empty string because there are fewer than k distinct strings in this array. Because of course the definition of a distinct string is pretty weird in this problem. And notice that we use here the fact that dictionaries in Python, and by extension counter, maintain their insertion order. Because this is what we want. We want the kth string. In order that they appear in our original array, we have this in dictionaries, including counters, for free. And that's it.